As clouds through rain provide not just water but life. It is indeed life into the automotive engines that we provide. We are Meko Auto Components Incorporated, a renowned organization owning a distinguished brand Meko with phenomenal reputation. 2 state-of-the-art plants with a total covered area of around 27,000 square feet. And over 4 decades of experience. Over the years, we have evolved as a name synonymous with automotive water pump assemblies under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Surinder Rawal, the promoter and CEO of the firm. His good works is carried forward by the second generation of the family, led by Shivas Rawal, who with his passion and commitment made Meko a reputed brand. With a production capacity of 30,000 pumps a month, we manufacture, supply and export around 300 variants of automotive water pump assemblies, kits and spares for all kinds of vehicles such as heavy commercial vehicles, light commercial vehicles, earth movers, stationary engines, jeeps, cars and tractors for both Indian and overseas markets such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, South Africa, USA, UK, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Australia, etc. through an extensive global network of around 300 distributors, are trustworthy and reliable business partners. We are currently supplying to OEMs such as Field Marshal, PM Diesel Private Limited and Marshall Motors, Sonalika Tractors, Captain Tractors Private Limited, Adico Escorts Agri Equipments Private Limited and Ace Crane. And our prospective esteemed customers are JBM Group, GMB USA, Agco International GmbH, etc. After the initial process of grinding and fettling, all the casting components are extensively shot blasted before they are delivered to the conventional lathe machine shop, equipped with calibrated gauges and fixtures for controlled and accurate proof machining by highly skilled and experienced machine operators. All the proof machined casting components are precision machined in our state-of-the-art CNC or VMC machine shop, equipped with all the standard inspection instruments, gauges and fixtures under the supervision of qualified and trained quality inspectors. We also have an in-house injection molding setup for the production of high-performance industrial plastic PPS impellers. For a thorough and complete removal of the tenacious contaminants and dust particles, all the final machined components are comprehensively cleaned and washed in the in-house automated multi-stage ultrasonic cleaning system before they are forwarded to the assembling shop. All the aluminum machined housings are impregnated as per set standards. Apart from this, our important components are procured from some of the top OEM suppliers and certified vendors. Our water pump assembly shop is equipped with modern hydraulic presses with load cells for accurate and controlled water pump assembling with the aid of calibrated assembling fixtures and gauges. All the water pump housings semi-assembled with bearing and mechanical seal are leak tested on special purpose testing machines using pneumatic pressure decay method and bubble immersion method with the aid of test fixtures at standard air pressure. All the mechanical seals are also leak tested using the same process at the pre-assembly stage. Various kinds of high-quality Japanese anaerobic sealants are applied on the mating parts while assembling. Every pump is assembled as per original drawings or samples and customer specifications. Our quality management system complies with all the requirements of ISO 9001:2015 and ISO 45001:2018 with quality control inspections within and between all the working departments. Using the cutting-edge 3D softwares, our skillful and experienced designers create unique designs and models for development of perfect dies and patterns for the components of every new water pump variant. Precise metallurgical testing of all kinds of raw materials is regularly done for composition, structure, strength, and hardness. Critical endurance and performance testing is regularly carried out for various water pump assemblies on the modern test rig to meet the discharge or LPM requirements of our esteemed OEM customers. The water pump assemblies are thoroughly cleaned, applied with rust-preventive oil, sealed into anti-rust VCI film, packed in corrugated boxes and strapped for complete protection against moisture during storage and transportation. Meko Auto is driven by excellence and always striving to exceed customer expectations in both quality and service. It is our sheer dedication that helped us won trust of the millions of our customers across the country and abroad and pushes us to evolve newer variants and achieve perfection in customized product design, a forte that distinguishes us from the competition.